Here in this picture, we have two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PRQ. In these two triangles, one pair of corresponding sides is equal, so we can see here that AB is equal to PQ and two pairs of corresponding angles are equal. Can we use the ASA rule to verify whether these two triangles are congruent or not? Here we can see that the given equal pair of sides is not the included side. Therefore, we have to look for another rule of congruence, that is AAS rule. Angle side or AAS rule of congruency states that two triangles are congruent if two angles and any side of a triangle are equal to the corresponding angles and side of another triangle. So here we can see that two pairs of corresponding angles are equal and one pair of corresponding sides is equal. So if this is the condition, then the two triangles are congruent by AAS rule of congruence. Let's try to understand how we use AAS rule of congruency to verify if the two given triangles are congruent or not. Let's focus on forming a correspondence relationship between the given two triangles here. Let angle C, angle A and side AB of triangle ABC correspond to angle R, angle P and side PQ of triangle PQR. Here we have generated the sequence angle, side in clockwise manner. That is why we took angle C first, then angle A, then side AB in clockwise manner. Same is true with triangle PQR also. Here we are taking angle R, angle P and side PQ in clockwise manner. Let's now check if we can find the corresponding paths to be equal. As mentioned by AAS rule of congruency, here angle C is equal to angle R, angle A is equal to angle P, and side AB is equal to side PQ. Therefore, we can say that triangle CAB is congruent to triangle RPQ by AAS rule of congruency. It is very important to understand that ASA means side is to be included between the two angles. That is why we have S in the middle here, whereas AAS helps us to say two triangles are congruent in some cases, not in every case, where the equal sides does not happen to lie between the two corresponding angles. Can AAS also be named as SAA? Let's explore. Instead of starting with angle A, if we start with side AB, then we will have side AB, angle A and angle C of this triangle correspond to side PQ, angle P and angle R of this triangle. Therefore, we can say that triangle BAC is congruent to triangle QPR. This implies two triangles are congruent. Therefore, SAA and AAS refer to the same rule. Let's now check an example where we cannot apply AAS rule even when two pairs of corresponding angles and one pair of corresponding sides is equal. Let's consider these two triangles and let's see whether they are congruent or not. This is different from the first example we have discussed because in the first example, AB was equal to PQ. This is in the first example, but now AB is equal to QR. Let's try the correspondence between triangles CAB and triangle RPQ. So in these two triangles, we can see that two pairs of angles are equal. That means angle A is equal to angle P and angle C is equal to angle R. But we do not know if AB is equal to PQ. Therefore, we cannot say if triangles are congruent or not. Let's see the proof. AAS rule is derived from ASA rule. Let's use a simple example to understand the proof. Let angle A is equal to angle P be equal to 100 degrees. So we are supposing that angle A is equal to angle P, each equal to 100 degrees. So this angle is 100 degrees and this angle is also 100 degrees. Similarly, let angle C equal to angle R equal to 50 degrees. So this angle is 50 degrees. So angle R is also 50 degrees. This implies angle B is equal to angle Q is equal to 30 degrees. So that means if this angle is 30 degrees, then this angle also is 30 degrees. Now we can see that AB and PQ are the included sides between two pairs of corresponding angles, that is 100 degree and 30 degree here and 100 degree and 30 degree here. So we can see that AB is the included side between angles 100 degrees and 30 degrees. So here AB is the included side between 100 degrees and 30 degrees. Similarly, PQ is the included side. So PQ is the included side between angles 100 degrees and 30 degrees. Since AB is equal to PQ, by ASA rule, the triangles are congruent. Here we have proved AAS rule using ASA rule. Let's summarize what we have learnt here. AAS rule of congruence is a derived form of ASA rule of congruence. We need to be careful while using AAS rule of congruence. AAS does not mean any two angles and any one side. We must establish correspondence between the relevant parts and show that they are equal. Also, AAS and SAA refers to the same rule of congruence.